big shout out to the organizers, the people who put this event together. Never had this much fun in a long time, so definitely big shout out to them. KNRC, so it was a very good event. We had a lot of fun. As the first time, I have to say I really want to do it again. So thank you to all the organizers. Well done. Yeah.
We would have won if Konem didn't party last night. They committed. And Uncle Altaf, sorry we let you down again. We didn't beat Amaan, but it was very close this time. 0.8 seconds. Yeah?
A little more enthusiasm, guys. Clap a little more. This is his first KNRC. Let's go.
Speech. Good afternoon, everyone. I'd like to thank the organizers for an amazing first round of KNRC. I'd like to thank Neil Gohil for giving a run for my money. It was really interesting until he unfortunately retired. Huge thanks to my whole crew, led by Uncle Tyga.
The oldest playing Azhar, and he just told me his age. I was shocked. He's 72 years old. Please give him a round of applause. Still going around at 72 and giving people a hard time. Thanks so much. So, out of 20, we had 17 participants who were, I think, under the age of 30, I can say. That's exactly what we were fighting for all this time.
Make sure you do all your racing in the game. On the streets, drive safely and responsibly, and wear your seatbelt. careful. He'll swat paint if he has to.
First, I'm gonna take your ride, then I'm gonna take your girl. Get ready for that.
Stay focused. He's rolling on a lot of power, so wait for him to shift first.
I would like to thank the people who have come from far to rally. The Kiryazis, thank you very much for coming all the way from Tata. Really appreciate it. Mr. Amwari, who's somewhere here, I think he's come all the way from Meru. Round of applause for him.